My team and I, Emilie, Camille, Keshav, and Faneesh, will start the narratives. The forest was vast, as a strange shadow was slowly walking towards you. He seems tired, with the sound he was making slowly approaching you.
You could not move. You were paralyzed. He keeps coming near, step by steps. Suddenly, a whistling sound was coming in her ears, getting louder and louder.
Until she could hear the rains again. She heard it heavier. She tried to slow down and suddenly stopped in her jogging.
Her heart was beating fast, not only from the jogging, but also from the same nightmare she experiences every day.